Hello everyone, today I have the Dewalt Impact driver DCF887 and it have intermittent switch problem. So we'll try to check what's wrong inside. And okay, what we have here, we have the same controller as in, I don't know, most of the Dewalt tools. Take it out this one, and I'm disconnecting the switch here. You can see some dirt here. Definitely we can wash it out. Okay, I will disconnect the LED light. Now we have the motor left and we have the switch here. Yeah, still need to lift it. Just cleaning the dust from the switch housing here. We'll take the wires. Okay, unplug the motor. And clean a little bit. We have pins here, here, and here, so I want to get them lifted, but I will try to remove this silicone. Remove a little bit of silicone, and now we will try to open the switch. Okay, not move the silicone here. Doing that now, and we can see that the housing is moving. Okay, as you can see, I got this plastic housing out and I have the switch here. Okay, now I don't know, maybe I will try to zoom somehow. Okay, zoom it a little bit, and now we have the spring here. Removing the spring, we have the switch, and we can see the metal part here on the switch, don't lose it. And of course we can see the traces here. What we need to do is to clean them. I will use the isopropyl alcohol. Okay, did we found some dirt here? Yes, of course. That smells so good. Okay, of course we can clean the direction switch. Okay, got it. Inserting it back. Now we have our trigger speed changer here. Trying to brush it, and okay, looks not bad now. So I will try to put it back. And I'm not always lucky doing that from the first time. The rubber sealing, yep, seems to be good. Now I will insert the spring. Okay. The spring is in place, the switch is moving now. Of course, now we need to close it, and now we hope that our intermittent fault has gone, so I can try to connect them. And we can try to press the switch slowly. Yep, it seems that the problem is gone, and now we need to assemble the tool back. And okay, after assembling the tool we can test it. Yeah. So it's good. The intermittent fault is gone.